Brad here with Pottstown Street Cars. We have a 25-1 tube frame Camaro behind us. We need to get it down to bare metal before we can start the project. We're going to be using the Eastwood dual stage media blaster today. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, we're back here at the shop. As you can see, we got the frame down to bare metal. We made quick work of it with the Eastwood dual media blaster and the ground glass that they offer. To be able to recover the ground glass, what I ended up doing was I took a tarp, I put it underneath the frame, and as we media blasted the frame, the leftovers fell down onto the tarp. I was able to recover it about 3 times over. So instead of using 10 bags or so of ground glass like we would have, we only used 4, and we still have some left over. If you're looking for further information on any other Eastwood products or the dual media blaster, check out eastwood.com.